The state government has decided to cancel the smart road projects under the Shillong Smart City project as the government finds the project not feasible. The announcement was made by the Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Urban Affairs Minister Shillong Dhar. Dhar said that the project under the first phase of Smart City has been cancelled after it was found that the project was not feasible, even as one of the smart roads, which is lying incomplete at Lashumir area, is one among the 17 smart city projects which were to be implemented in the city.
Almost all projects is under good progress, and few projects we are yet to inaugurate, maybe in the month of August or September, I think. And the other, even I had a meeting last week. I had received reports all projects in good progress. So hopefully, I think it will be very helpful for people. At least, for example, like even the polo market is ready, even the infra market is ready, I mean the ICCC is ready, and presently around both smart city and mixed from the state plan also around 1213 parking places under progress as well. So we are monitoring every day, every now and then. My officer is on the job to make sure the project should be complete in the short time. So all projects is in good progress as of now.
Nongpo MLA Meral